Hey guys, I'm here at a local Walmart and I just wanted to show you this is the baking aisle. Look at all of the options that are available. This is Walmart. This is not a specialty store. This is not, you know, yes, this is not a hippie store. This is not a farmer's market. This is a good old Walmart, and look at all the options that are available. This is not even a fully stocked shelf. You can see how much is missing. Okay, but look, almond flour, nut flour blend. If you're not they have organic all-purpose coconut flour, cashew flour, coconut protein. They have cauliflower flour, chickpea flour, brown rice flour. There is so much available to those who are seeking to have a healthier lifestyle. Like, there's so much available to you now. It's not like it was even 5 years ago. There's so much available on a mainstream basis. Look at all of this. There's options. You do not have to stick with a lifestyle just because it's what you've been doing. There's so much available to us now. So take full advantage of it, okay? Awesome. Oh, wait, let me turn around because you have all of these natural sweeteners that are available. Again, this is Walmart. Y'all know what the shelves at Walmart look like. I don't have to prove nothing. Look. All of this. All of this natural agave. I mean, Walmart even has their own brand of it. Come on, y'all. There's so much available. Sugar in the raw, stevia in the raw, all of this. Like coconut sugar. Look at that. Organic coconut sugar. That is a Walmart label. Great value. Come on, y'all. Come on. There's so much available. We just have to take advantage and do our research. So you guys go to your local Walmart and see what they have for you, okay? See you next time.